Welcome back. This is Daniel Parsons. I am a Prife International independent business owner, and there are many of us all over the world. I can do business in all the regions of the world. So if you live in New Zealand, Australia, Africa, United States, where I reside, Canada, Europe, we can get you the devices, the product lines from Prife International. I do not speak for Prife International. I'm just a independent business owner. And I will go ahead and give you my medical disclaimer. The Prife iTeraCare devices and the other products that they have now do not treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. All of the in-home therapy devices are not medical devices. And so that's my overview. If you should choose to participate in the business side of Prife International, I make absolutely no income claims because everybody's ability is different. Some people work hard and they get rewarded for their work. Some people treat marketing businesses as like a hobby and they don't have as much success. So you need to find a sponsor that you can work with. And I have sponsored hundreds of people, and I've been working on some warranty claims, and that's a good time to segment right now. I just did one for a customer in Europe this morning, early this morning. And what's going on now, if you submit your warranty claim and you get the new device, Prife is now extending out 6 more months of warranty coverage on your replacement. So that is very generous of the company. And now I want to segue into Canada was closed down for Prife shipping in and out of Canada for about 3 months this summer. It is open back up as of late October. So if you're in Canada and you want devices, I can definitely help you. I have a good, strong relationship with several of the stockist locations there. So now let me segue into the European promo. The European promo is extended where your first iTeraCare Classic, which is the red device, is $499. The reason it's a more expensive than it is in other parts of the world is the EU taxes. However, you can get a second Classic device. I believe it's up until November the 7th. Now, you're best to have that order in by November 6th because Malaysia is when the updates close, and they are around 6 hours at least ahead of European time. So you're better off to make sure that you get your promo orders for that second Classic blower in by the 6th of November. And then that way we make sure we don't get the your orders not refused because you didn't get it in time. So I want to encourage anybody that's interested in buying the Classic blowers to take advantage of that in Europe. Now, the last thing I want to share with you today is that I have one iTeraCare Pro blower in stock. I have one premium device in stock. I have 5 of the iTeraCare Classic devices in stock. I have 2 of the 7 Wonders water bottles in stock. And then I have the 2 of the beige negative ion shields in stock. I have 1 of the new iTeraBio Lite that sells for $1,300 in the USA. And I'm almost 100% sure that that is also going to be the price for Canada on the Bio Lite. So because the iTera Bio full scale version that has the hooded section, that one also gives you the negative ions, and it has the deodorizing, sanitizing effect on your feet. Whereas the iTeraBio Lite is an 80% version of the full scale bio. I do use my bio every single morning for 30 minutes, and I do get quite a bit of energy. I interviewed one of my team members. I'll just say first name Jill, and she had quite a remarkable testimony in her use of her device. So, okay, so I can get the iTeraBio full scale model shipped to you anywhere in the world right now. And the Bio Lite, I do have one of those in stock here in Washington State, but I can ship it to you anywhere. As a matter of fact, I'm getting ready to order some boxes because I anticipate keeping a few of those in stock. Okay, so that is my full inventory disclosure and update. Pray for the world. We're in a very difficult time right now. I tell you, it's been hard for me to keep focused because I've got a close friend that lives in Israel, and I'm a peace-loving person. I don't want war anywhere. And so I realize that that's a goal that we probably all want, and it's just not reality. Right now, there is a whole bunch of violence in the world. So just pray for peace, and I pray that you remain healthy and safe. And if you need me, Pacific Time Zone weekdays, please, 360-383-0265. Today is the 3rd of November, 2023. I'll be on the West Coast in the middle of the month. I need to make a 1-week trip to the East Coast, and then I'll be back out on the West Coast. God bless you, and bye for now.